If you're like me and you have to do anything where you have to take receipts and put them into spreadsheets and look them one by one, such as receipts like this right here, random receipts, PDFs, I'm going to show you right now how to quickly have AI do this work for you so that it will format your receipt information into a spreadsheet exactly the way you need it done, like I have to have it done right here at my company. I'm going to show you how to do this very, very, very quickly. So here's how we do it. Step one is how we're going to analyze all this data and have the AI do it for us is we're going to download and use an app. It's called Claude, C-L-A-U-D-E. You can see it. It's right here. You can go to claude.com, product CoWork. You're going to download Claude to your computer. It can download to your computer, and you need to use the form of Claude on your computer. It's an application that you're going to open, all right? Once you have downloaded it, you're going to plug in, set up all the settings. Here's the deal. You're going to have to sign up for the advanced, the plus account, what do they call it? Excuse me, the pro plan. It's about $20 per month, all right? But it's worth every single penny, all right? Up here, there's chat, there's CoWork, and there's code. I'm not gonna get into all the details on this, but what you need is you need this one right here called code. It's absolutely incredible, can do so many things for you, all right? Next up, what you're going to do is how this works is you're actually going to plug in a prompt. I'm going to give it to you right here. It's a Google document that I created. You can just copy and paste it into Claude CoWork. All right. And once you do this, let me start a new CoWork chat so you know exactly what I'm doing. New task. I'll paste it in here. Next thing, what you need to do is you need to give Claude CoWork access to a folder on your computer. So what I mean by this is you're going to create a folder just like I did right here. I called it Claude CoWork. And CoWork now has access to everything within this folder on my computer. So AKA my receipts. So here are my receipts. Once you do this, you will then be able to see your folder right here in this dropdown. I click on Claude CoWork, and now I can access all of the receipts within my computer on this folder. I then click Let's Go, and now it's going to get to work. It's going to read each receipt one by one and put it into a spreadsheet for me, and then it's going to do all of the work so I don't have to manually do this myself. All right, so now you understand we take receipts, we put them into a folder, we have Claude CoWork read them, and then create the spreadsheet for us. Which again, let me show you, because I already ran this, what this spreadsheet looks like. And for me, it's exactly the way I need it. For my company at Chicago Title, date, receipt amount, expense location, merchant name, expense type, attendee title, employer, justification, right? All of that. Justification, I leave it blank. I filled in once I input all this information online. Now, the reason why it knows the attendee and the attendee title and the employer is because I put that into the receipt data, which is important for you when you're creating your receipts. So if you want really to like automate this out the way I do it, what I do is whenever I have a receipt, I use an app on my phone called Genius Scan. iPhone here, Genius Scan. It's free. It's the orange one. Download it. Try it. But what's cool about Genius Scan is if I open up this app on my phone right here, you can see it. Pretty darn easy, right? I take a photo with my camera and it scans it. But once it scans that file, I can take and click on this file and I name it, right? So it automatically has it formatted to the date. But then I always add in there, right? I could have the receipt scanned, and then what I'll say is I'll say the name of the person or persons that I'm with, if it's in a meal or some sort of expense like that, as well as their company, right? So I just had lunch with, I don't know, Jeremy Kane with eXp Realty and Andrew Caldwell with Chicago Title. I put that in the title of each receipt name. That way I don't forget who I met with. And also in addition to that, later on when I have that receipt within the AI for Claude, it automatically pulls that data out and puts it into the column for me. Okay, so I always do that in my receipt naming. Once I've finished naming the receipt, what I also love about Genius Scan is I can automatically export it, bottom right corner, I can export it into a Google Drive, a Dropbox, any sort of like cloud folder, which you can actually see right here. And this is my Google Drive of all my receipts. And you can see here the name of the receipt as well as who I was with and their company information. And then every month I download these receipts, I put them into the Claude CoWork folder that I shared with you earlier, and then I have Claude read all of the data. So that's the plug and play system that I found that could be the most efficient, right? Obviously you need to name your receipts properly, upload them into a folder, download them, and then have Claude interpret the data And those are kind of the workflows. So what I'll give you, here's a prompt that I made pretty darn quickly. You can use this, start here, improve on it. I bet you it could get improved on if you make a better version of it. Please share it with me. But let Claude CoWork run. You can see here, you need to have the latest updated operating system on your computer so that it works. But eventually it's going to get it done. I just ran this earlier. And if I drop down here on the left side, you can see it ran those receipts, it categorized them, and then it turned it into a spreadsheet right here on my computer. So now I can just take this, go into my expense reporting system online, and then just plug this information in, and I don't have to worry about making mistakes, misreading receipts, etc., and having it all be accurate. So hope that was helpful for you. Genius Scan, name it, upload it. Once you're done at the end of the month, download it, plug them all into Claude CoWork, have Claude CoWork read them, create the spreadsheet. One less step for you. Input them, get them done. Hope that was helpful.